Whether we accept it or not, movies have become a very significant go to for us whenever we want. Since the first movie was created in 1888, the industry has been growing rapidly with pushing its limit even above the sky. These days, we are so convinced that superheroes and mythical aliens are actually real. Today, we will talk about such 10 mind boggling morphing in these super hit movies. Let's get into it. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and click the bell icon for more spooky content. Number 10. Jurassic World. Now, before anything, why don't we talk about how dinosaurs were roaming the earth 65 million years ago, but still movies like Jurassic World and Godzilla bring them to life after so many years? I don't think so. That is a difficult one now. The one and only Steven Spielberg made it possible. The Jurassic Park franchise began in 1993 with the first movie being an early foray into computer-generated imagery. By the time Jurassic World was released in 2015 and also ever-increasing technology, you may expect the scenes behind the camera to be more advanced and realistic. But that is not the case here. Have a look at these wearable dinosaur puppets running around like real dinosaurs. You might laugh out loud after seeing these velociraptors before CG. Only 4 guys and gray that look like something out of a high school drama class. They don't seem so scary now, do they? Number 9. Guardians of the Galaxy. Another super hit movie by none other than Marvel Cinematic Universe. The Guardians of the Galaxy was a science fiction movie which was visually epic. The movie was both critically acclaimed and a box office hit. Groot and Rocket Raccoon were some of the great characters and audiences loved them. However, if we see how the actors actually looked before any morphing, then you will for sure won't believe me. This is Dave Bautista as Drax the Destroyer petting the raccoon. Who loves Rocket Raccoon now? Rocket Raccoon was voiced by Bradley Cooper and portrayed by Sean Gunn through motion capture. This meant while shooting, Sean would wear a green morph suit and act like Rocket Raccoon. Last of all, this is how Groot was made, a floating wood head on a purple morph suit. That's kinda cool. Number 8. Pirates of the Caribbean. The first movie in the series of Pirates of the Caribbean was critically acclaimed, but the second movie, Dead Man's Chest, set a whole different record in 2006 and was the highest grossing movie of that year. If you saw this movie, you know who was the villain in the movie. Yes, the scary Davy Jones who comes back again in the third movie. The villain is part pirate and part a tentacle creature and is played by the praised and award-winning actor Bill Nye. The cinematography used to create the deadly-looking character gained the production and Oscar for visual effects. On sets, Bill wore motion capture equipment which helped digital artists create his final look. It's pretty freaky how well they managed to capture them. These are the 2 images before and after the special effects. I don't believe they are the same. Do you? Number 7. I Am Legend. I Am Legend is a 2007 movie starring the famous Will Smith. The film is based on a novel with the same name written by Richard Matheson in 1954. The movie comprises a deadly virus attack in New York City where Will Smith plays the role of the last human left on the planet after 90% of the population is dead and leaves 9.8% as light-sensitive mutants. Obviously, the movie was a hit and the leading actor was praised for his stunning performance. In August 2018, Smith shared a picture of a before and after effect movie clip of a tent animal. The after effect shows that a hideous dog is attacking Smith, but while shooting the scene, it is actually a guy in green morph suit holding a naked dog puppet. A round of applause for Will Smith for his incredible and so real acting. Number 6. Alice in Wonderland. When the Alice in Wonderland director Tim Burton took this movie, the audience was awaiting to see some big and crazy visuals. And that's exactly what happened as the movie won Oscar for the Best Art Direction. It would be weird if you expect no green screens in the movie, and the latest motion picture added a lot to post production. The picture is of Tweedledee and Tweedledum, both of them played by Matt Lucas. Well, behind the scenes looks nothing like what we saw in the theaters. And take a look at this! Helena Bonham Carter as the Queen of Hearts. Number 5. Mad Max. Mad Max Fury Road is a post-apocalyptic action movie directed by George Miller and starring Tom Hardy. This movie was a celebrated fourth part to the series of films from the late 1970s and 1980s. Fury Road was quite a big box office hit because of its jaw-dropping visuals and critically acclaimed, and also the production won several Academy Awards. Just like we saw the pre-edited footage of other movies, let's see what Mad Max looked like. However, if we take a closer look, the before and after picture don't have much of a difference and might have looked the same even without the special effects. It is said that the sequel to this is in the pipelines. Number 4. Lord of the Rings. Who doesn't know about how legendary this movie is? It is the biggest movie adaptations and film franchises of all time. The movies are based on the novels written and highly acclaimed in the early 20th century by J.R.R. Tolkien. In all its 3 parts, we see unbelievable mythical creatures like elves, dwarves, mountain oaks, hobbits, and goblins. Award-winning film creator Peter Jackson brought the books of J.R.R. Tolkien into reality in the best way possible. The reason behind the grand success of this trilogy is the great cinematography and special effects used across the series, which isn't less than magic itself. There are a number of features to talk about, but let's just talk about Gollum. Gollum is central to the Lord of the Rings and was formerly a hobbit called Sméagol. He is shown immortal and because of the power of the ring, and his appearance is quite skinny and slimy. But you are going to have a hard time believing what he looked when the movie was actually shot. Actor Andy Serkis did an incredible job portraying the character Gollum and voicing him. Hard time, I told you. Movies before and after special effects seem like 2 whole other worlds. Number 3. Harry Potter series. Is it unfair to select the whole Harry Potter series? The Harry Potter series made us believe in magic and wizards and dragons and wands, and now we will kinda ruin your fun by telling it was all special effects. The story of the series revolves around the orphan kid Harry and his revenge from the incredible Voldemort for killing his parents. If it wasn't with the help of morphine, J.K. Rowling's best-selling novels wouldn't have that much life. We have seen throughout how easy it is to pretend to make someone fly with the use of a blue or green screen, but what about the other jaw-dropping scenes? This amazing video clip from Reddit is one of the scenes which shows the moment Ron and Hermione, aka actors Rupert Grint and Emma Watson, destroying Helga Hufflepuff's cup. And I would not hesitate giving these actors a standing ovation for such a great acting. Number 2. The Matrix. The Matrix was released in 1999 but usually has a hard time believing that these types of special effects were even existing in those years. The most famous and praised scene was the bullet scene where we see Neo pull off a superhuman maneuver to protect himself from the agent firing bullets at him. We all know how famous this scene became, and it is imitated even today in pop culture. More than the audience, it was the visual industry who went crazy about this technique, and eventually it came to be known as simply bullet time. In this pre-edited video, we see actor playing Neo, Keanu Reeves, in a green screen and covered room. The many cameras around him were set to go off a fraction of a second after each other, so that when the footage was blended together, it created the illusion of a super slow motion orbit of the subject. The final image came in around 12,000 frames per second. However, the special effect production did set an unchangeable record. Number 1. Avengers Endgame. As the biggest freak of Marvel Cinematic Universe, I am very proud to say that Avengers Endgame overtook Avatar, the top grossing movie of all time last year. The thrilling acting superhero movie gained over $2.79 billion at box offices, overtaking James Cameron's epic sci-fi hit that achieved the record for over a decade. This new top-grossing movie is the 22nd movie of the MCU and 4th movie in the Avengers series. However, the motion picture had an amazing budget of $350 million, which is quite visible as per the special effects used in it. Take a look at these pictures of before and after editing shots. Here is Wanda, aka Scarlet Witch, battling. Captain Marvel, played by Brie Larson, doesn't look so ready for fighting when she's hanging on strings behind the scenes. Valkyrie also doesn't look so incredible while she's riding on what looks like a green lawnmower rather than the mythical Pegasus. It is evident now how the big budget is worth it all. That is all we have for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed our video and would not mind giving it a thumbs up as you go. Subscribe to The Unleashed and also comment down below which of these movies gave you a hard time believing. Until next time, keep vibing.